This week I'm testing the new Mazda BT-50 and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Number 1 is the media system in the BT-50 has digital radio, which allows you to get ABC Kids Listen, etc. Also it has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and when you put it in reverse, all the models have a reversing camera. Number 2 is the drive. The BT-50 is full of all the safety features you'd normally find in a family SUV. All models of the BT-50 now have rear aircon vents, which is really good for keeping rear passengers nice and cool. And even the cheapest model comes with carpet flooring. I have loved my week with the BT-50 with my family. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.